Hello! Now is the time, handsome nation. Oh yeah! Alright, ladies and gentlemen and ladies. Yes, I know, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, and well, it's not here yet. But I had to jump on as soon as possible to share the good news with the community. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips on how you can get your Galaxy Z Fold 2 or your Galaxy Z Flip 5G at little or no cost whatsoever. Now, I know you see the box for the Samsung Tab S7. I actually got that for free with my purchase, but more about that later. So now let's jump on the computer and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so we're here on Samsung's US website. I'm not sure if this deal is going on in other countries, but you could definitely check it out and try it out for yourself. So on the home page, you're gonna go to Offers. It'll bring down a drop-down menu and you click on Offers, the link that it has. Next, as you can see, you can buy and try a Galaxy Z series with a 100-day trial. 100 days, people. Normally, the trial period is about 15, maybe 30 days, but 100 days. That's pretty amazing. So you can take home your Galaxy Z Flip 5G or Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, and we'll give you 100 days to make sure it's the perfect match. That right there is very important. Foldable phones, foldable devices it's a new thing. It's a new trendy thing. So some might be on the fence about it, maybe even a little sticker shocked about it, because yes, it is pricey. But as I said earlier, I'm gonna share with you some tips on how you can get that price way down. So now let's click on Buy Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. All right, so as you can see from the top, you can get it from about $1,450 with an eligible trade-in. We're not going to do a trade-in in this case, and the reason why is because, yes, Samsung does a great job at giving you the best bang for your buck for your trade-in. But typically you can get more if you sell your device on eBay, Craigslist, Declutter.com, or Gazelle.com. Typically those places will give you the best bang for your buck if you sell it to them directly. So we're not going to worry about carriers. We're going to keep it unlocked. Mystic Black, that's the color I chose. And down here is where it says, you can trade in your device and get up to $550 instant credit. But like I said, we're not going to do that. So you're going to click no, I do not want a trade-in. Here's a new option that Samsung offers where you can basically lease the phone for about 20 months and you pay about half the price. But we're not going to do that. We're going to buy our phone outright. This right here is where it gets really good. So as I showed you guys earlier, I picked up the Samsung Tab S7 for free, just for purchasing the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. You guys want to know how much this thing retails for? It retails for $650, and you're getting it for free. You guys see where I'm going with this? Yes, you can also choose the $200 Samsung credit, but you got to spend that immediately when you purchase the device. Yes, that might be nice for some people, but in this case, we're trying to drop the price dramatically on our new Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. So we're going to pick this up. Click add. Samsung Care. I decided to go with this only because, it's a foldable device. They're just not as durable as some of your everyday smartphones. So I got the Care. We'll see. You can cancel anytime. So I'm going to see how it goes. I typically take really good care of my devices, so I don't think there's going to be an issue, but just in case. So down here is where you're going to have your total. And yes, it is a lot of money to put up front, but we're going to get a lot of that money back. So now let me explain how you're going to get most of that money back. I made a few references a little bit earlier, so follow me. So the first thing that happened to me is I was actually on Samsung's page for quite some time. And of course, there's cookies that can track, which pages you're going to and all that good stuff. And so there was a pop-up that came up to where it said, hey, I know you're interested in getting the Galaxy Z Fold 2. How about we give you an extra 5% off? Here's the coupon code. Put it in at checkout, you'll get 5% off. So sure enough, 5% worked. 5% of 2 Gs is $100. So that brought it down to $1,900. And of course, the link or any coupon codes, I'll make sure to put it in the description down below so you can use those codes or that link if you want to pick this up. But as I said, right off the bat, $100 off. Next thing we're going to do is when we get our Samsung Tab S7 in the mail, we're going to hit up eBay and we're going to list it. So let's see how much they're going for on eBay. So looky what we got here. 650 bucks, 550 bucks, 650, 435, 550. Of course, on eBay, the selling price is going to vary, but you may have better luck just selling it person to person, maybe a coworker, a family member, maybe a friend. Let's be a little bit reasonable and say we can sell it for about, we'll say 550 bucks. So initially you paid $1,900 for the device. You sold your tablet that you got for free for 550 bucks. So that brings the money that you spent to $1,350. And yes, that's still pretty high. That's still premium price for your phone. But then again, it's just not any other phone. You got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, man. And with the purchase of your new phone, you're not gonna need your old one. So you wanna sell it. You wanna get rid of it. You wanna get the best bang for your buck. So let's see how much my Pixel 5 is going for on eBay. Okay, so as we can see right here, my Pixel 5 open box, which mine is, slightly used, but it's still in pristine condition, is going for about 600 bucks. Yes, $600. And down here, this auction just started. The starting bid is at $400, so it'll probably sell for probably about $500 as well. So let's split the difference on this and say we can sell it for $550. So once again, with our discount and with selling our Samsung Tab S7, we're left paying $1,350. Now we sold our phone for about $550. You're paying about $800 for a premium 2-screen foldable device, flexing smartphone that has all the bells and whistles. But then again, for this price, and you may be able to get it for less depending on your situation and circumstance, is a pretty darn good deal. And the last token of information I'm going to share with you guys is the 100-day trial. What if you get the phone, either the Z Flip or the Z Fold 2, and you don't like it and you want to return it, but you got this tablet, you sold your other phone, so you got this extra money. What are you going to do? Well, if what I read is correct, Samsung, they're not going to want back their Tab S7. They're just going to want the Galaxy Z Fold 2 back. And as long as the phone is in good working condition, basically you have this phone for up to 100 days for free. And if you decide to keep the tablet, because yes, the Tab S7 is an amazing device. I just got it yesterday and I am hooked, especially with that new S Pen. So if you still have that, guess what? You have a free tablet, man. So I'm not saying to abuse this, but hey, I believe Samsung is putting their money where their mouth is, and they realize that people that are picking up the Galaxy Z Fold 2, they're gonna want to keep the phone. They're not gonna send it back. So what do you guys think? This is the one phone that actually got me to switch back to Samsung. You know, I love my OnePlus phones, and I'm really digging the Google Pixel 5. But like I said, this is the one phone that got me to switch back to Samsung. And I believe that this is the best time to check out the Galaxy Z Fold 2. But of course, if you have any questions, any comments, if you think I'm kind of crazy, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, as it definitely helps out the channel quite a bit. Thank you and have a good one. Yo.